Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be preparing some fried fish, mashed potato, fried plantain, and some rice and peas. So stay tuned for this amazing video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my peas, add some garlic to that. After my peas is cooked, I'll be adding scallion and thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, thyme to season up my peas and add some flavor. So at this time I'll be adding my powder seasoning, salt, meat season, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and stir that up and let it cook for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice and continue that process for 3 to 4 times. Then I'm going to head over and add my rice to my pot. Guys, please excuse me with the dinner fork in the pot. I'm just giving that a stir to mix up the peas and everything. So now I'm going to be washing my fish with my vinegar, drying it as well, and seasoning my fish. Right here in my basin, I have some fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and some meat seasoning, and some cayenne pepper, and I mix that up to season my fish. So here I'm just continuing the drying process and applying my seasoning to my fish. So I'm going to go ahead and add some oil, garlic, and pepper, and let that burn in the oil. So at this time I'll be cutting up my vegetable and seasoning to cook down my fish in that. So I'll be starting off sauteing my vegetables such as my onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, string bean, Irish potato. So I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, and as well as some meat seasoning. So I'll be adding a little bit of vinegar to tenderize the vegetables and seasoning some more. I will be adding some soy sauce for coloring. As well, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. So at this point, I will be straining off my potatoes and adding some cold water to that to stop the cooking process. So I'll be adding some sweet corn, some sweet pepper, some minced onions, and parsley.
So then, why?
So about after 8 minutes letting my vegetable and seasoning cook, I am adding my fish to my gravy.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So guys, this is the finished product of my Sunday dinner. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, share the video, tell a friend about me. I have more amazing videos coming your way. Thank you for watching.